Hello, my friends. Join us on a fascinating journey to discover how American farmers grow and harvest millions of pineapples each year. Fresh images and inspiring stories draw us closer to their lives, from the planting process to the exciting moments of picking this sweet fruit. Did you know that pineapple is a fruit formed from a cluster of flowers called the pineapple heart? Pineapple hearts grow from the center of the plant, combining 100 to 200 flowers to form a single pineapple. The mature fruit has a thick, inedible skin with square eyes, remnants of individual flowers. Cultivating pineapples demands time, expertise, and perseverance, encompassing numerous manual procedures. To initiate a new pineapple plantation, two methods are employed: sucker planting and crown planting. Approximately 75% of the seeds are sourced from the suckers of harvested pineapple plants. Skilled laborers meticulously evaluate the sucker's quality, selecting only those that meet stringent criteria for producing the subsequent generation of pineapples. The establishment of the new field entails thorough preparation, involving several precise steps, including the removal of harvested old plants to accommodate the new ones. Next, we'll proceed with soil preparation before planting. It's important to note that a well-designed drainage system is crucial to minimize erosion and maintain soil integrity after heavy rainfall. This system also plays a vital role in controlling weeds, preserving soil moisture, and regulating the temperature of the soil environment. Workers here manually plant each sucker using special tools like shovels. A skilled worker can plant from 5,000 to 6,000 pineapple plants per day, equivalent to about a quarter of an acre. A truly impressive figure. If you're interested in visiting these farms, please leave a comment with the number 1. Pineapple plants require regular fertilization, and on many farms, labor is hired for this task, while on some modern farms, machinery is employed. By directly spraying fertilizer onto the leaves, the plants will absorb nutrients more efficiently. Pineapple plants are perfectly designed to collect water. The dense leaf rosette directs rainwater and nutrients to the center of the plant. This robust young plant needs plenty of sunlight and time to thrive. Pineapples thrive in loamy sandy soil and are commonly cultivated in regions with high sunshine and temperatures ranging from 65 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature is too cool, pineapples will have a tart taste. Conversely, if it's too hot, they will become overly sweet. The harvest time for pineapples varies depending on the cultivation region and various environmental factors. It typically takes each pineapple plant about 13 to 16 months to reach optimal ripeness. During this period, from planting until the fruits are fully ripe, the plants undergo an extensive growth process. This process is carefully managed and nurtured to ensure the highest quality produce. Would you like to enjoy this delicious fruit right from the orchard? Join us to explore the harvesting process of this wonderful fruit. The pineapple harvesting process commences by carefully selecting ripe and aromatic pineapples and preparing them for cutting and harvesting. Farm laborers undergo thorough training to discern fully ripe pineapples, assessing their color, shape, and distinctive fragrance. This meticulous selection guarantees that only the highest quality and most flavorful pineapples are harvested. After identifying the ripe pineapples, workers skillfully employ specialized tools to delicately detach them from the plants and transfer them onto the harvesting conveyor belt. Harvesting pineapples is not just a simple agricultural task. It is a delicate process that requires patience, knowledge, and technique. There are various methods for harvesting pineapples, and some involve more labor, with baskets filled with up to 100 kilograms of fruit carried on the neck and back. This approach is both quick and efficient. Each pineapple needs to weigh around 5.5 pounds to be considered large enough. Machinery moves slowly to give workers enough time to assess whether the pineapples are mature enough for harvesting. Upon reaching the canning area, the tops of the pineapples are cut to facilitate a second round of harvesting. Workers carefully store them to ensure none get damaged based on their location and weather conditions, as the plants require additional time to ripen. An effortless method to enjoy the most exquisite pineapple slices. Beyond their delightful taste, pineapples offer a myriad of health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, pineapples serve as a nutritional powerhouse, enhancing immune function and aiding digestion. The enzyme bromelain found in pineapples has anti-inflammatory properties, alleviating muscle pain and promoting better digestion. Moreover, the antioxidants in pineapples promote healthy skin and heart health, while their fiber content supports optimal digestive health. Do you know of any other fascinating ways to cut pineapples? A pineapple serves as a versatile ingredient, elevating the flavor of numerous dishes to new heights. If you've ever indulged in these culinary creations, you'll understand their irresistible allure, simply delightful. Are you curious about how people handle and process this amazing fruit? Join us as we visit the factories and explore further. After reaching the processing plant, pineapples undergo a cleaning process to remove surface dust before being transported along the conveyor belt. Consumers often prioritize appearance and weight when selecting fruit, so the pineapples undergo additional cleaning to ensure they attain the perfect size and shape before being meticulously packaged for sale. The top-tier pineapples are carefully labeled and shipped to markets worldwide. Are you aware of the diverse range of dishes that can be made from pineapples? Have you ever indulged in pineapple juice or savored dried pineapple? In this factory, pineapples undergo sorting based on size and quality, with larger ones sold whole while smaller ones are utilized for slicing or juice extraction. Once peeled, pineapples are sliced into various shapes, depending on the desired cut. They are then packed into jars or cans, weighed to meet size standards and vacuum sealed for freshness. These sealed jars or cans are then prepared for packaging and transportation to retail outlets. At the heart of creating delicious, mouth-watering pineapples lies a modern assembly line. Through each meticulous step, the production process is executed with care and professionalism, ensuring that each pineapple attains the pinnacle of quality. A team of technicians and quality experts vigilantly monitors every aspect of production, ensuring adherence to stringent standards at every turn. And finally, the carefully processed pineapples undergo meticulous packaging and are poised to be dispatched to the consumers worldwide.